Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Minecraft Education account. It's important to understand that for Minecraft Education Edition, deleting an account usually means canceling the subscription linked to it. This version is often managed through an organizational or personal Microsoft account. We'll go over the general steps to help you effectively remove access and stop any associated charges. Let's get started and make this process clear and straightforward for you. To begin, you'll need to sign into the Microsoft account that was used to purchase or manage your Minecraft Education Edition subscription. Once logged in, look for the Services and Subscriptions area within your account settings. Here, you should find your Minecraft Education Edition listed. Select it and follow the prompts to cancel the subscription. This action will effectively end your access and prevent future renewals, which is the primary way to delete this type of account. 4. After initiating the cancellation, make sure to confirm all steps to ensure the subscription is fully terminated and you won't incur any future charges. Be aware that canceling might result in the loss of any saved worlds or progress associated with that specific education account. If your Minecraft Education Edition access was provided by a school or organization, it's best to reach out to their IT administrator, as they manage the licenses and can guide you through their specific deletion or removal process. 4. If you face any challenges during the cancellation process or can't locate your subscription, don't hesitate to contact Microsoft support. Having your account details and any purchase information ready will help them assist you more efficiently. They are equipped to handle various scenarios, especially if your account setup is unique or if you're having trouble navigating the online portals. Their team can provide personalized guidance to ensure your Minecraft Education account access is properly terminated. 1.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.